Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
I remember Prime Minister Modi was telling to the audiences, he said IT plus IT is equal to IT. I don't know whether you heard of this phrase or not. But he said information technology plus Indian talent is equal to India tomorrow. And he came up with the solution called Smart Hackathon. And trust me, the MIT is the first founder member of India Smart Hackathon. The entire thought process came into reality on the MIT Kothurud campus. And then we supported Persistent, and then we were the part of it. But Modi ji, again he said, we need 3 S for upliftment of the Indian youths. He said the 3 A's are the skill, speed, size. He said hackathon is nothing but the skill development program. The professor said in the morning, if you are a part of the Smart Hackathon team, same was with the Robocon. If you are a part of Robocon team, you will be hired soon. We started this Robocon in India. I don't know how many people are aware of it. In 2005, the Prasar Bharati in association with MIT group of institutions, we started Robocon India on this very own ground. I'm sure it's all the countries, because that was the Asia Pacific Robocon, ABU, Asia Broadcasters Union, Asia Pacific Broadcasters Union. They used to give a problem statement depending upon the host country, and the students is supposed to build the hardware around it, and they have to play a game of 3 minutes each. The skill development started happening from that day itself, when the problem statement came out in the month of August for the Robocon. I said the skills, there are various skills. The government came up with the National Skill Development Corporation called NSDC, and they formed the 52 sector skill councils into it that covers your welding, your IT, ITES, manufacturing, and all those 52 sector skill councils. Meaning is that they identified certain skills, they are preparing you through the certifications on that skills, and the industry ready power will be at the doorstep of industry. So Smart Hackathon, we are looking in this direction. When you are submitting your idea, when you are giving a thought in terms of software, in terms of hardware, that you are preparing yourselves, you are developing your skills. So he said the skill development at the rate of scale. Scale means not 10 or 100, it's 10 lakhs, 1 crores. And the speed, he said, we don't want to teach you all 4 years. It's all 160 hours program, 500 hours program, 600 hours program, and that's all. And that's why this 36 hours hackathon, 72 hours hardware hackathon, because you need to prove your skills.